Hi folks, how are you? Thanks for joining us. Just a quick one. On Wednesday the 16th, we are going to do our TDL TV on this subject, what is Emmett for dogs? Introducing you to Helen Walker, my good friend from Walker Wellness.
Hi folks.
Tell us about yourself, Helen. What do you do?
I work with dogs, with horses and with people. I use a number of techniques, but the one that I'm going to be talking about is EMMETT for dogs, which is a light touch muscle release therapy, which is excellent at helping to relieve physical misalignments and problems that your dogs may be.
Who's this?
This is Gabriel, one of my dogs.
Okay, cool. So Gabriel gets a little bit of EMMETT therapy free. I've had a little bit as well. It's quite amazing. It's not what you would expect, and the results have been pretty good for me. So let's get on to our next questions. Okay, who is Ross Emmett? Tell us a bit about Ross and how he started with animals.
Sure. Ross Emmett is the founder of the technique, EMMETT Technique. He's an Aussie based in Townsville, now in his 70s. Way back in probably 70s, 80s, he was working as a massage therapist and having astounding results. Prior to that, however, he used to work in animal research and he had to gather samples.
He's a dog trainer.
He's a dog trainer.
In fact.
He was, between 78 and 2002, he was one of the senior judges and dog obedience judges. So his first
nobody likes
love,
judges. We won't go there. Nobody likes judges. Okay. Oh,
and the technique started with animals rather than with people.
Come on, you want to come to me? Yeah, so that's very interesting that Ross Emmett, who developed EMMETT Technique and EMMETT for dogs, actually started working this technique on animals before he moved over to humans. And obviously now he's taught a lot of people, and Helen is...
Hi!
Helen's a qualified EMMETT practitioner.
I'm have for 14 or 15 years been an advanced EMMETT practitioner for people, and I'm qualified. I'm the Western Australian instructor for EMMETT for dogs.
Okay, next question. What is EMMETT for dogs used for? So what's the benefit to dogs and benefit to animals as well?
That would largely be it's good for calming. Gabriel would benefit. It's also good if there's been injuries, accidents, if there are gait issues, imbalances, so people who are maybe doing agility work with their animals, show dogs when they're wanting a really nice form and frame. So it's very good at helping to create a more relaxed posture, and so the body can function more efficiently.
So we're balancing the left and right side of the body so we don't lose any muscle conditioning in any one side.
Correct.
And you can assess that. Now there is a course where you can learn how to do this yourself as well. So, but if you want to learn more about that, tune in on Wednesday the 16th at 5 p.m. Eastern Time, which would be 4 p.m. Queensland and 2 p.m. Over on the West Coast. And you can learn more about this technique and maybe see a little bit of a demo, and also how to join the course to learn how to do it yourself. So there's different levels though. There's an intro level, and then there's a practitioner level.
There's a practitioner level, and it's open to anybody and everybody. You just have to really love dogs and have a desire to want to help and a curiosity. But there's no prerequisites. You don't have to know anatomy beforehand. You just have to be, it's a very practical, hands-on course.
Excellent.
And instantly usable.
Oh, good. That's excellent. So instant results. Can't ask for much more than that. All right, folks, click on the link down there, go through to our website, and then you can go and have a chat to Helen, give her a call, get onto her website, etc. Thanks for coming in.
Thank
and
you
we'll see you Wednesday week. Not this Wednesday, Wednesday after. This Wednesday, we're going to be talking about positive reinforcement and using an e-collar on a dog, and also how you are using e-collars in conjunction with positive reinforcement training. Okay, see you again. Thanks very much.
Look forward to seeing you next week.
Bye.
Bye.